Hello there, Kamen Rider.
全ライダーの力を受け継ぎ時空を超え過去と未来を知ろ示す時の王子、その名も仮面ライダージオウ、まさに生誕の瞬間である。
Okay, is he gone? Okay, again, hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome again to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. Again, continuing from the Kamen Rider line of Firgure-rise standard that I have been unboxing. Right now, we have Kamen Rider Z-O. Yes, the Demon Lord of Time, the kindest, greatest Demon Lord. So, here we are. This is his box, and a very nice box art here. And inside the kit, of course, you are be able to build Kamen Rider Z-O. So there you have his various gimmicks, various poses that you can do with him. Some information about the show, and of course the plates and parts, and some warnings. Okay. So that's what we have on the box, so let's open him up and let's see what's inside. Right off the bat, we have one bag of 3 plates, all black. We have one plate for silver colored, so this is for silver parts. Another bag with 4 parts inside. Some gray parts, some light blue. I don't know what to call that color, sorry. Another bag with black, white parts, and the clear translucent part for his helmet that says Kamen. Does this says Kamen Rider? I think Z-O. I think Kamen Rider. Again, the plate for the stand and the stickers. And of course, what we also have here is the instruction manuals on how to build the Firgure-rise standard Kamen Rider Z-O. Yep. So let's open the bags one by one. So first off, we have the A1 plate, which consists of all black parts. So we have here parts for the torso, parts for his weapon, both in gun mode and in sword mode, feet, and the shoulder pads, and I think this is part of the waist, or I think his head, which also includes a part or a plate for the A2, which consists of white, and here we can see his belt as well as part of his face plate. So this is the A1 plate and the A2 plate. We also have a B1 plate, which consists of silver parts. So this is mostly silver parts over his armor. The watch trim, parts for his face, the beefin, and the cuffs on his arms. It also includes a dark gray or dark silverish B2 plate here, which consists of parts for the belt and parts for his arms. So the B1 and the B2. We also have a C1 plate, kind of like a light purple, light teal color, yeah, and a C2 plate. So yeah, this part is the duplicate, so that's why they have to create a C2 plate. So the C1 and the C2. Of course, we have a D1 plate, all black parts right now again, so consists mostly of manipulators and just manipulators and some part for the neck. And it also has a D2 plate, which is the only clear part of his armor, which is for his faceplate, of course. So that's the so the D1 and the D2. And of course, we have a very large E1 plate, which again, so all black parts here. Yep. So the rest of the body and limbs are here. And of course, a E2 plate. Let's see, yeah, here it is. This is the duplicate part for the E2. So again, the E1 plate and the E2 plate. And of course, the standard stand for the Firgure-rise standard. Yep. And the sticker sheet, which I think by now you will have noticed. If I do my builds, I do not use the stickers, but I paint, so that's that. And of course, yep, the instruction manual. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That is the unboxing of the Firgure-rise standard Kamen Rider ZO. And of course, if you're wondering where am I getting these kits, I always get them at Hobby Toys Laguna. So shout out to them. And please do visit their Facebook page, which I will be providing a link below in the description. And once again, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like and comment, and viewing other videos. And once again, till next time, see you!